We've tackled many outage projects involving different component replacements. Since your project could involve pressure vessels or reactors, you'll likely find this deaerator removal and replacement project in Pennsylvania interesting. Barnhart was selected to provide supervision, equipment, and engineering to jack, slide, and rig a 53,000-pound, 6.5-foot diameter, 58-foot long deaerator through the side of a turbine building. In order to complete the work, we had to install support beams and a light slide track to span the building's perpendicular structural beams. In addition, the crew welded 4 custom fabricated jacking haunches to the deaerator. Once it was jacked up, we slid the front of the deaerator through the hole in the side of the building. Then we rigged the front of it using a basket hitch, lifted it, and continued to slide it out of the building. We placed cribbing under the deaerator and then lowered and adjusted the front rigging. We continued to maneuver the deaerator until the static rigging could be connected to the rear of the deaerator. Using the main and auxiliary hoist, we transferred the block over the deaerator's center of gravity while sliding it out of the building until the crane could support all the weight. Our custom-engineered quad block eliminated the need for 2 cranes, reduced risk, and provided a value-add solution to our direct customer and plant owner. The process was repeated in reverse to replace the old deaerator with the new one. In addition to the 2 Barnhart riggers, we were able to leverage the customer's crane and labor to minimize the total project cost while maintaining safety and project timelines.